Now look student, 9 Roman 1, if x to the power m whole to the power n equal to x to the power m to the power n, show that m to the power n minus 1 into n to the power m minus 1 equal to n to the power m. We have to show this one. Now this sum is also important. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. 9 Roman 1. Now look student, that 9 Roman 1, now look, x to the power m whole to the power n equal to x to the power m to the power n. This is the given part, so we'll write here given. This is the given part in 9 Roman 1. Now after that, since we'll apply the formula here that a to the power m whole to the power n, so formula is x to the power m n here, and this will remain same. And here I am using the formula that a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power m into n. This formula I am using here. I repeat again, this formula I am using here. Now base same, powers are equal, so here m into n and m to the power n. Here I will write, now this I am taking as equation number 1, and condition will write that base same, powers are equal. Base same, powers are equal. Powers are equal. This is the first part. Now the second part is LCM. LHS. Now look the LHS here. So LHS means left hand side. It is m to the power n minus 1 into n to the power m minus 1. This is the LHS part, means left hand side. Now look how to solve this one. Here this equal to, if I write like this, now first split up this one. So if I splitting up this, then m to the power n into m to the power minus 1, again here n to the power m into n to the power minus 1. Now look after that, 1 m to the power minus 1 means 1 by m to the power n obviously, so m to the power n by m into n to the power m by n. This formula is a to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by a, like this. This formula I am using here now. Now look after that, go for the multiplication. So if I going for the multiplication, then now look student, here multiplying m into n, so this could be like a m to the power n into n to the power m. Now look, this mn equal to, I will just put the value as, because look student, here equation number 1, mn equal to m to the power n, I will just put on the value here. Now in place of mn I will use that value. Now look after that, in place of mn I will just write m to the power n, and there is also m to the power n and n to the power n. Here I will write from 1. Now this one and this one cancel. If these two are cancelled, so last one would be n to the power m, which is our answer actually. So here I am writing that RHS. Okay, now look student, after that we'll write here that since LHS equal to RHS, therefore we'll write the last line that m to the power n minus 1 into n to the power m minus 1 equal to n to the power m, hence proved or showed. This is the answer of 9 Roman 1. Student, next question is 9 Roman 2. If p equal to 2 minus 3 to the power 1 by 3, show that p cube plus 6p square plus 12p minus 5 equal to 0. We are now going to solve this question. Now look student, 9 Roman 2, that 9 Roman 2, here given p equal to 2 minus 3 1 by 3. This is the given condition. So here just p minus 2 equal to minus 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. Now cubing both side. If I cubing both side, then p minus 2 whole cube and minus 3 1 by 3 whole cube. Now here in the next step we'll apply the formula that a minus b whole cube. So answer is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube, and there is minus 3 1 by 3 into 3. Cancel these two, answer is 3 only. And there you can write that p cube minus 3 to the 6 p square. Now 2 square is 4, 3 fourths are 12 p, and there is 8. 2 cube is 8 and minus 3 will be here. Now in the next step, this minus 3 if I take common on that side, so p cube minus 6 p square, then 12 p minus 8 and plus 3 equal to 0. And next one would be that p cube minus 6 p square, then 12 p, and there is minus 5 equal to 0. This is our answer, hence showed. We can write here hence showed or hence proved. This is the answer of 9 Roman 2. Students, as you can see that 9 Roman 3, if a to the power p equal to b to the power q equal to c to the power r and b square equal to ac, show that 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to 3 by c. We'll have to prove this one now. Now let's have a look how to solve this 9 Roman 3. Now look student, 9 Roman 3 solution. First of all, a to the power p equal to b to the power q equal to c to the power r given. Now after that we'll write here that let a to the power p equal to b to the power q equal to c to the power r equal to k. Say one ratio I have taken here k. You can take here x also, y also, z also, or anything, anything according to your choice, m, n, p we can take. I have taken here k. So here now after that a to the power p equal to, we can say that k here, then b to the power q equal to k and c to the power r equal to k. Now look after that, if I want to cancel this power, we will multiply both the side with 1 by p. So what will happen that if we multiply both the side with 1 by p, then what will happen here, k to the power 1 by p. Similarly here, if we want to cancel this q, we'll multiply both the side is 1 by q, so k to the power 1 by q, and here c to the power r will 1 by r equal to k to the power 1 by r. Now look, these two cancel, these two cancel, and these two cancel. So a equal to k to the power 1 by p, then b equal to k to the power 1 by q, then c equal to k to the power 1 by r. One more condition is given here in this question, that b square equal to ac. It is also given in the question, this portion also given. Now here I will just put the value of b and ac. We'll check now whether it is true or false, or we have to show that 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to 3 by c. Let's have a look now whether it is right or wrong. So in place of b, I will just put down that value of k to the power 1 by q whole square. Since b equal to this value, in place of b I will just putting here now b square. Okay, now after that a, value of a is k to the power 1 by p into value of c is k to the power 1 by r. Now look after that what will happen. So there k to the power multiplying 2 by q, and there is, if base same, power should be added, so 1 by p plus 1 by r. Now look here after that, so here also base same, powers are equal, so we can write here that 2 by q equal to 1 by p plus 1 by r. So here you can write that base same powers are equal. We can write here that base same, powers are equal, Now after that students, in both the side if I add 1 by q, then what will happen, both the side if I add 1 by q, so 1 by q I have added here also with 2 by q, and there also 1 by p plus 1 by r plus 1 by q, adding both the side 1 by q. Now here q is the LCM 1 plus 2 and there is 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r. So there is 3 by q equal to 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r. Student, I would like to say, okay, then first you write and hence proved. Okay, now student, I would like to say one thing, that there is a slight changes in the question. I think the question is given wrong, but here I would like to change the question first. Now look here, we have proved that 3 by q equal to 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r. Here it is given 1 by a. No, actually it is 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r, and there is 3 by q. This could be the question. Actually maybe something given wrong in the questions. I have written this from the book, so I might be wrong sometimes, or maybe it is given wrong here. So actual answer is this one, 3 by q equal to 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r, hence proved. Students, now we are going to solve that exercise 2a, question number 9, Roman 4. If it to the power a equal to 3 to the power b is 6 to the power minus c. Here in your book might be there is only c, but actually this should be 6 to the power minus c, and then show that this equal to 0. We have to prove that 9 Roman 4. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Look student, this is the given part of 9 Roman 4. Now after that we'll start here that let 2 to the power a equal to 3 to the power b 6 to the power minus c equal to k say. So I am writing here that k, but these you may take as x, y, z, or that m, n, p, anything. Now here next step would be, after that, therefore 2 to the power a equal to k, then 3 to the power b equal to k, then 6 to the power minus c equal to k. Now just after that, again multiplying both the side with 1 by a. So 2 to the power a whole to the power 1 by a equal to k to the power 1 by a. Here 3 to the power b whole to the power 1 by b equal to k to the power 1 by b. Then here 6 to the power, there is a 6 to the power c whole to the power minus 1 by c, then equal to k to the power minus 1 by c. So here would be that these two cancel. There is 2 equal to k to the power 1 by a. b and b cancel. So 3 equal to k to the power 1 by b. c and c cancel, minus minus plus. So 6 equal to k to the power minus 1 by c. Now after that, if I go for the multiplication with 2 into 3 here, now 2 into 3 equal to 6. 3 to the 6 obviously. Why I have taken this one? Because if I multiply 3 into 6, 18, or if I take 6 into 2, then 12, but if I take only 3 to the 6, then this will equivalent to this one. That's why I have taken here 2 into 3. Now just put the value of 2 here. Value of 2 is k to the power 1 by a, and value of 3 is k to the power 1 by b, and value of 6 is k to the power minus 1 by c. Now since base same powers are equal, so here I will write that 1 by a plus or one thing we can write here that k to the power 1 by a plus 1 by b, and there k to the power minus 1 by c, and in the next step base same powers are equal, so 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to minus 1 by c. We'll write here that base same powers are equal, base same powers are equal. Now after that, if I take that value here 1 by a plus 1 by b, and take this one is here 1 by c equal to 0, hence proved. This is the proof of question number 9 Roman 4. Next one, 9 Roman 5, that if a equal to c to the power z, b equal to a to the power x, and c equal to b to the power y, then show that x into y into z equal to 1. This is question number 5. We are going to solve this now. Look student, 9 Roman 5, that is quite different sum. So first of all, we'll write here that a equal to the given condition, a equal to c to the power z, and b equal to a to the power x. This is the given condition here. So here student, there is value of a equal to c to the power z. So in place of a, I may take here that in place of b will be here. So in place of a, I will take c to the power z whole to the power x, because in place of a only I have taken this value. It is already given here now. So now after that, here b equal to now c to the power x z. Now after that, look here student, one more condition given, c equal to b to the power y. So in place of c, look here, in place of c I can take b to the power y here also, because b equal to c to the power, in place of c I can take here b to the power y whole to the power x z. Now next would be b equal to b to the power x y z. After that, here student, in the next step there is nothing means b to the power 1 and b to the power x y z. So since base same, powers are equal, so we can write here 1 equal to x y z. We'll write here base same, powers are equal, powers are equal. So this is the proof, hence proof. This is the question of 9 Roman 5. Next question is student 9 Roman 6, that if x to the power y, then x to the power y equal to y to the power x, then x equal to twice y and y is not equal to 0, find the value of y only. We are going to solve this question now. Let's have a look how to solve this one. Look student, this is 9 Roman 6 question. The given condition is x to the power y equal to y to the power x. Now one more condition is given here, that x equal to twice y. So in place of x here I will just write down twice y and whole to the power y, and that is y to the power x, because since it is given in the question x equal to twice y given in the question. Now look, just split up 2 to the power y into y to the power y equal to y to the power x. Now just after that, here what will happen, 2 to the power y, since there is into, it will go on divide, so y to the power x by y to the power y. Now after that, here in the next step, 2 to the power y equal to y to the power x into y to the power minus y. Now next step, since x equal to twice y, in place of y I will again put here twice y. 2 to the power y will be here, in place of x I will put here twice y, y to the power twice y into y to the power minus y. Now 2 to the power y equal to, base same, power should be added, so y to the power twice y minus y. Now after that I am writing here now, look, after that, so 2 to the power y equal to y to the power 2y minus y is y to the power y. Now look, after that, now here y and y cancel from both the sides, so 2 equal to y. This is the answer of question number 9 Roman 6. Students, now look that 9 Roman 7, given that p to the power x equal to q to the power y and p to the power y equal to q to the power x and pq not equal to 1, then show that x equal to y. We are going to prove this one now. Now look student, 9 Roman 7, this is a given conditions. Now both the side, if I go for the multiplication with the power of 1 by x only, then q to the power y whole to the power 1 by x. Now x cancels, so there is p only, and here is q to the power y by x. So let us take this one as equation number 1, the first one. Now again one more condition is given here. So the second condition is p to the power y equal to q to the power x. This is the second condition given. Now here also there is x. So if I here in place of p, if I put the value of q only, will be easier. So in place of p I will put the value of q, y to the power x whole to the power y equal to q to the power x. From 1 I am writing here now, from 1. I repeat again, in place of p, the value of p is q to the power y by x. So here in place of p I have just used the value from 1. Now after that go for the multiplication. So q, y into y means y square by x, and there is q to the power x only. Now base same, powers are equal, so here we can say that y square by x equal to x. Reason would be base same, powers are equal, base same, powers are equal. So now go for the cross multiplication here. So y square equal to x square. Now in both the side 2 and 2 cancel because powers are same, so y equal to x. This is the proof. X equal to y, or yeah, this is the proof actually. So we can write here that showed or proved. Student, we are going to solve the last sum of question number 9, Roman 8. If x equal to a to the power p, y equal to a to the power q, and a square equal to x to the power q into y to the power p whole to the power r, then find the value of p, q, r. Let's have a look how to solve this one. This is a very different and interesting question. Student, now write down that 9 Roman 8 here, that x equal to a to the power p, it is given. Now look, if I go for the multiplying both the power with x to the power 1 by p and a to the power p 1 by p, then p and p cancel, x to the power 1 by p equal to a. This is our equation number 1. Now after that, student, one more condition is given here, that y equal to a to the power q, it is also given part. Now look, after that here, value of y equal to value of a is what? X to the power 1 by p. Then in place of a, I will just put the value here now. So x to the power 1 by p q, this is from 1, I will write here from 1. So y equal to x to the power q by p, and this is our equation number 2. Now after that, one more condition is given here, that a square equal to x to the power q into y to the power p, then whole to the power r. Now after that, this is also given part here. So given if it is there, so a square, now value of a is x to the power 1 by p. A square means 2. Value of a is x to the power 1 by p, then square. Now after that, student, look here now. Now look here, student, after that, x to the power q. Now there is y, so y equal to this value. So in place of y, I will write here x to the power x to the power q by p, then whole thing to the power r. I repeat again, y equal to this value. In place of this, I will write here, now we will write that from 2. Now after that, look here, that x to the power p by q, and value of power of y is p. So power of y is p, will write here now, power of y is p, then whole to the power r. After that, here now x to the power 2 by p, and there is and p cancel, so x to the power q and x to the power again q whole to the power r. Now after that, here, since x to the power 2 by p here, then base same power should be added, so x to the power q plus q whole to the power r. Don't confuse your students, the y to the power p, so value of y if we put here, then power p and p cancel. Now look, after that here, then the last portion would be x to the power 2 by p equal to x to the power, that is 2y cube whole to the power r. Now go for the multiplication here, then this is r, so x to the power 2 by p equal to x to the power 2y cube r. Now after that, if base same powers are equal, so 2 by p equal to 2y cube r, we'll write here that base same powers are equal. Now go for the cross multiplication here, then next line would be, so if I go for the cross multiplication here, so 2 divided by 2 will be here now 2 equal to 2y p q r in the next step now. So student, the last line, that after that 2 equal to 2 p q r, so 2 and 2 cancel from both the sides, so 1 equal to p q r, hence proved. This is our proved. So this is all about their question number 9 of 2A class 8 advanced maths.